Welcome to Navigating the Blue Economy, Sustainable Tourism for Ocean Wealth. In this video, we explore how sustainable tourism can drive economic growth while preserving our precious marine ecosystems. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the secret behind sustainable tourism in the economic blue frame. Stay tuned. If you feel this video is too long, you can use annotations to see which part of the chapter you want in table of content in description on this video. Tourism is a major industry worldwide, contributing significantly to the global economy and supporting millions of people. It is considered a key driver of economic growth in many countries, providing opportunities for communities to thrive. The natural world plays a crucial role in attracting tourists as they seek to connect with nature and enjoy beautiful landscapes and seascapes. Coastal and marine tourism, part of the sustainable blue economy, involves various recreational activities, services, and businesses that operate on the coast and in the open sea. Creates millions of jobs because this can range from beach resorts and cruises to wildlife observation and cultural experiences near the ocean, and is projected to be the leading sector of the ocean economy by 2030. These activities take place in or near bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, estuaries, seas, and oceans, and involve professionals such as tour operators, travel agencies, lodging providers, and transportation firms. Beach holidays, water sports, eco-tours, animal watching, heritage tours, and dining experiences are all popular activities associated with coastal and marine tourism. Regions like the Caribbean and Southeast Asia, heavily reliant on tourism, are expected to benefit from this growth, especially with the rise of international travel. Balancing this growth while preserving the ecosystems essential for tourism will be a significant challenge. Quality in this sector is characterized by sustainable practices, environmental conservation, cultural authenticity, and visitor satisfaction. Responsible tourism principles are important in minimizing negative impacts on local communities and ecosystems, while maximizing positive contributions to development, conservation, and preservation. To benefit from the ocean's resources, strategic investments are needed, including marine spatial planning, well-managed marine areas, and innovative tools for decision-making. Methods for ensuring quality in coastal and marine tourism include certification programs, destination management plans, educational campaigns for visitors, and partnerships with conservation organizations. Travelers are willing to pay more for experiences in pristine and unspoiled environments, highlighting the importance of nature in the tourism industry. To make all this happen, we have to know what possible challenges we will face and how we can overcome them. The first challenge is overfishing. If the number of fish caught exceeds the average fish production, sooner or later the fish supply in the sea will run out. There needs to be coordination between all parties, including researchers who collect data, business people who want to open their business, and the government. After taking fish production data every month, for example, finding out what the characteristics of the fish are, including what month the breeding season is, whether it is a protected endangered animal, then coordinate with the government to make regulations to limit the amount of fishing, prohibit hunting of fish during the breeding season, and prohibit damage. Ecosystem for anyone, then convey it to business people as long as it remains profitable. It is likely that the tourism business people will agree, especially since the goal is in the long term. It is inevitable that pollution will occur in the tourist industry due to various sources, such as hotel buildings, restaurants, tourist structures, and transportation methods. This pollution stems from activities like food waste, litter, construction materials, and emissions from food preparation and vehicle fuel. Finding solutions to this issue is crucial for achieving sustainable tourism. Proper waste management is necessary to preserve the natural beauty of the area and prevent pollution that could harm the environment and aquatic life. Effective waste management can be carefully planned and executed from the very beginning, starting with the design, production, installation, operation, and maintenance of equipment used for waste transportation, recycling, and disposal. This approach aligns with the principles of the blue economy, which emphasizes the importance of sustainability and responsible resource management. One of the key objectives of a waste management strategy is to create a system that promotes recycling, thereby conserving raw materials and reducing production costs. By implementing such a program, businesses can contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to waste management. In addition to focusing on resource conservation, a well-rounded waste management program should also prioritize the safety and well-being of both visitors and workers. This can help prevent social conflicts and ensure the health and welfare of coastal communities that may be directly impacted by waste management activities. Another important aspect of waste management is the prevention of water pollution, which can have detrimental effects on both surface water and groundwater. By implementing proper waste management practices, businesses can significantly reduce the risk of contaminating water sources and harming the environment. Similarly, efforts should also be made to prevent air pollution, as improper waste management practices can release harmful pollutants into the air. By implementing measures to control emissions and reduce pollution, businesses can contribute to a healthier and safer environment for everyone. Moreover, a comprehensive waste management program should also focus on preventing the spread of pathogens, which can pose serious health risks to individuals and communities. By implementing proper hygiene and sanitation practices, businesses can help minimize the risk of disease transmission and protect public health. Another critical component of effective waste management is to protect natural resources, such as forests, water bodies, and wildlife habitats. By implementing sustainable practices and minimizing waste generation, businesses can help preserve valuable resources for future generations. Finally, by adhering to and improving environmental standards, businesses can ensure that their waste management practices are in line with regulations and guidelines aimed at protecting the environment. By continuously monitoring and evaluating their environmental impact, businesses can strive to minimize their carbon footprint and promote sustainable development. The next video discussion discusses the challenges of the beach and coastal tourism business, namely the threat of habitat due to tourism sector activities, whether intentionally or unintentionally. Sea level rise, which can change coastal boundaries and threaten buildings around the coast. Extreme weather, both predicted and sudden, and other natural disasters such as tsunamis if the area has high earthquake intensity due to the movement of the Earth's plates. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please comment below if you have opinions, suggestions, and criticism that you want to convey. Thank you. Let's all continue to protect the environment for the sake of the beauty of this Earth.